If you're using GoHighLevel and you're still not using conversational AI, you're leaving a lot of leads on the table. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up conversational AI bot so it follows up with every single lead and starts conversation automatically. All right, so how to build leverage using the conversational AI bot. There's so many different usage for this. I'm going to show you how I'm using this right now and how it's helping me build leverage. So there's two components to this. Firstly, setting up conversational AI using the GoHighLevel software. It's the best software that I use, and it's the best software. A lot of people use this, especially agencies. 14-day trial, links in the description. Message me, and I'll help you get it set it up with any workflows or automations that you need. Pioneer on this software. I've been using it for about 3 to 4 years. So whatever I teach, I implement into my own workflows as well. Um, and then what we need to do is create a conversational AI bot, which is very easy using GoHighLevel, and then setting goals for it. And then second component is setting up the trigger and then automation to enable the conversational bot. Okay, so this is just to make it a little bit more organized, so you get the big picture. How you can use the conversational AI to build leverage. Firstly, cold calling automation. This is how I use it. So if you call someone and they don't pick up, let's say the bot sends out a quick text message trying to engage a conversation through text. So that way, every single lead is being followed up with. If they're not able to pick up the phone, then you're trying to reach them through text message. You can use it for meta ads or TikTok, Instagram ads, whatever. If a new lead fills out a form and let's say you're not able to get to them on time, the conversational AI bot will reach out to them as soon as you set up the goals and the parameters for the bot. It can engage those meta ads leads and then try to book them into appointment for you. You can use it for AI missed calls. So if somebody let's say calls you, you aren't able to pick up the phone, instead of just a simple text message going to the prospect or the customer, uh, the conversational AI could take over, try to see what they called for, and if they reply, the bot can, book the appointment or whatever that you wanted to do. So yeah, let's go ahead into the dashboard for GoHighLevel. So once you're in a dashboard like this, you want to go into AI agent on the left bar on the left side. You then want to go to conversational AI up here. We have one set up. Name is Ali, and let me just show you the normal settings. So you just want to name it your business name. 5 seconds is fine. Maximum messages, which is the how many messages should this bot go back and forth for one conversation. I kept it at 50, and then that's pretty much it. Most of this is pretty straightforward, and then this is the most important one, bot goals. So for me, what I wanted to do is you are an outbound follow-up assistant for State.io. So what happens is every time, let's say the disposition, once you make a cold call, the person didn't pick up, you put the disposition as no answer. That's when the bot automatically takes over and sends them a text message. I'll show you how that looks like in a minute. But yeah, I pretty much generated this using ChatGPT. So firstly, what you want to do is you want to identify what you want the bot to do. So if it's for, let's say, meta ads, you want to say you're a follow-up assistant for meta ads. Once the lead comes in, your job is to qualify and book the prospect into an appointment. Um, so yeah, you wanted to type into ChatGPT, ask it what you wanted to do, and then just paste the prompt here. Um, what you want to do for so let me just show you how it's working for me right now. So I've made some cold calls today. So let's see here. Some wasn't picking up, so sent a quick text message. I then replied, "Hey, thanks for getting back to me. I tried calling you earlier. Just wanted to check in. How's business going for you lately? Any challenges with calls or appointments?" So this is just trying to start a conversation, and this is how I designed it. I didn't want it to be too like forward and ask for straight appointments. You want to try to identify the problem, And that's what the AI bot can do. It can actually nurture and qualify before booking the appointment. That's what you want it to do, because it's conversational. It's not just like you set it to say one thing. So you, as long as you put the prompt the right way and you start getting data and you start, kind of uh, building on the prompt, then yeah, you'll be fine. And then you want to go to the automation. Let me just show you how I set it up so it triggers the automation. So outbound missed call attempt. So workflow, very simple. Once you put the custom disposition, you want to set the trigger. So you'll be call details. Under the filter, you want to do outbound. So this is for any outbound calls. Obviously, if you want it to take over once someone calls in, then you can also change that to incoming calls. I set it for custom disposition for the trigger. The thing is, for trigger, you can pretty much use anything. So if you, let's say you call someone and they didn't pick up, you can first set it as the tag missed call, so then it will fire up. But disposition I also like because it's very direct. So once I call someone, they don't pick up, I just put the disposition on the GoHighLevel phone system, no answer, and or voicemail, and then it automatically tags them as missed call, and then SMS. First thing comes out is their first name question mark. Is more like a trigger to their response. Soon as that happens, and they reply, obviously if they reply to the conversation, that's when the bot will take over, because that's what we set it to do. So let me show you here. Agent list. All right, guys, so you want to go to the bot settings. You name the bot anything. You want to do is put it on autopilot. That means bot replies automatically based on training data. So you will understand if you tell it to reply to any incoming lead forms, it will automatically detect it and then start started the conversation from there. Obviously, we set it so once we miss a call, any missed call attempt, then it'll fire up. So that's that. Make sure it's only on SMS. So if you're setting it up to SMS only, then you want to make sure it's only on SMS. If it's on other platform like Instagram or Facebook or any other platform, then you want to put that as well. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Make sure you put the prompt properly to make sure it reflects what you're trying to achieve from the bot. It's really about the intention. You want to make sure you know exactly what you want the bot to do, and rest can be all figured out through even ChatGPT. If you put in the prompt, it'll make it out for you. Um, and yeah, you can add knowledge base as well. Create a knowledge base. This basically gives you the bot any information that it needs about your company, about your website, anything like that. The more knowledge you give it, the more prepared it is. It's like training an employee basically, but you just put in the prompt and it's ready to go. You can test the bot here as well if you like, if you want. I'm not able to use my keyboard right now, but yeah, you can test it out. It will automatically response as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. How to set up bot. So it makes sure that it follows up with every lead, and basically helps you stay on top of every single opportunity. You want to set this up for anything, like if you're running ads or if you're running cold calls, any lead generation channel. You want to set this up because it's going to do a lot of the work for you. Yeah, I hope you got something from this video. Again, start the 14-day trial in the link in the description for GoHighLevel. It's the best software that I use, and yeah, I'll see you soon.